boy, I didn't have my mic on. These just confirmed down all of them. We were trading into targets, so you have to really be careful on these guys. The Swissy needs to pull down to here or somewhere close. It might not do that, and the euro needs to pull up to here. The pound might not pull up there. It could just pull up to here, but let's see how they all line up if we want to get in this trade or not, guys. Sorry, I was talking real fast because I thought I had my mic on. I didn't. We're trading right into targets here, guys, but they all are confirming. So wait for it to pull back into here before you take your entry if you like where everything else is at. And what I mean by that, it has to be up at the top. This has to be at the bottom or somewhere close to it. It might stop at this wick right here. But let's just see how these time out, guys. Now keep in mind, remember, guys, this is a target. That's a future breakout. So it's already hit a target. This could continue going up. So we'll see. But I think it's a good entry for a down trade here in the Swissy. But the Swissy has to come back a little bit more. It's holding its top. It's telling me it wants to hold. So we'll see how far this thing goes, guys. I always trade the euro personally because I want to, because it has a 2-pip spread. So I always trade the euro personally. So this could be a future breakout here. This, where I have my lines here. There's your entry at the back of the channel here. See, I don't remember I told you this might stop at the wick. Now this could come back down, guys, because we're trading right into a target. But we'll see if this is a great entry here. I usually don't like taking it until it's really, really clear, but these are clear down here. These are definitely, it starts to move. So we'll see how far this goes. Again, we're trading right into a target, but they are all lining up, and we need to break these targets, so we need to come down. Hopefully it will come down the start of the move at least, and this will go up. It'd be nice if this comes up to here. So we'll see how far this thing goes, guys. Okay, guys, it is turning into be a good trade. You have to be really careful when this thing comes up to the top. See this Swiss come up the top. I'd like for it to come up those lines, guys, but there's no guarantee it's going to do that. It's pretty sloppy trading so far. It's been sloppy trading all week, actually for the last couple weeks. But I'm hoping this thing breaks through this, and we get a good trade here. Should be up a couple pips if you took the euro. The Swissy has to break its top for this to be a good trade. And obviously the pound has to break its bottom, and the guppy and the euro yen. So it's just you're trading into slop. So it has to break. So we'll see if it does. Okay, guys, it's a hard trade to stay in, but that's a good sign on that. Well, I don't know if it's a great sign, but on the pound, see how that came back up. Now, if this is going to continue down, see, this is just coming up for an entry here. But again, this has already hit the bottom, so I'm not going to take this. But if it's going to continue down, it's going to push this through here, and the Swissy is going to continue going up here. But just be very, very careful, guys. We're at the very, well, we're not at the very bottom, but we are at the bottom of these currencies down here, so don't hesitate to take profit. And I'm hoping this breaks, guys, to continue on for a great trade. But it's obviously right now, so far it's a good trade. Nothing great. I mean, you should be up 4 or 5 pips on the euro if you took the euro, but there's no guarantee this is going to break.
U.S. military veterans who risk their lives for our
Whoops, sorry, my TV came off. Okay, guys, sorry about that. My TV came off of, I had it stalled out. I was listening to the reports on TV. Okay, guys, be very, very careful with this trade. I'm hoping it continues on, but don't hesitate to take profit. And if it breaks, then great. That is turning out to be a really nice trade. I shouldn't say really nice, but a good trade. See, I was talking about the pound. See, that's a very identical start of a move here. As this is continuing down, this has already told you it wants to go down. This is coming up and finding your entry for the pound trade if you decide to get, in it or add to your trade or whatever. And if that holds its move here, this is going to, hopefully this will come down to at least, because this is the start of this move up. Hopefully that's going to come down to there at least. And this is kind of in no man's land in my opinion. I don't remember what's back here, but hopefully it'll come down to here obviously, but we'll see how far it goes. All I know is it's been tough trading, although I've had a really, really good trading day. This is one of those trades that it's tough staying in, guys. That's why you have to take profit out of targets. Now, it didn't obviously give us that much, but you have to be careful about staying in a trade like this. See how the euro yen down here is at the bottom, the Swiss yen is at the bottom, and the Swissy, I was hoping to get up to here, and it still might, but this could be the start of this move. Well, it is the start of a move. It's just whether it breaks through and gets to the next move up here. So I'm hoping it breaks. My goal is for it to get up to here or even more, of course, so I'm hoping this breaks, but it is a tough trade to stay in. Because once trades hit their targets, the reason why I think it still might go down is because the start of this move is clearly down here. And usually currencies want to get to the starts of their moves, usually. So obviously these have to break for this to happen. The pound and the guppy to get down the starts of the move. So there's no guarantee it's going to do that, but they usually do. Okay, guys, that's it for me. This actually turned into a great trade. Remember how I was trying to tell you that they're trying to get down to their starts of moves, and that's what the guppy did, which would be this currency over here. And the pound did here. And that's when you really have to, if you have the guts to stay in this trade, take profit out, because you don't know whether it's going to break, because all the currencies have hit some sort of a target. So whether it breaks it, I don't know. It could keep going here or not, but a good entry on this, 43, and it went down to 23, 22. So you picked up, if you had the guts to stay in it, 17, 18 pips, which makes for a phenomenal day. And if you're trading correctly, you could have made almost 2% on your account today. Anyway, great trading day, guys. Talk to you later.